Afternoon, welcome. This is Neco, year 2018 English Objective Past Question. Question number 81. Question number 81. And the instruction here says fill each numbered gap with the most appropriate of the options. So this question is to answer question from 71 to 100. And the statement here says, while in the prison, he narrated his story to the other. While in the prison, he narrated his story to the other. Option A, accompanies. Option B, associates. Option C, colleagues. Option D, inmates. Option E, partners. An accomplice is an associate is an associate who aids crime, that is, who help the other person to commit the crime, or who assist the person to allow the crime to take place. The associate is almost the same with accomplice, although associates also have a different definition called friends. So colleagues is the same as friends. Then partner is also the same as friends. But inmate means people that one meets in the prison cell, or people who meet one in the prison. And that's why the statement here say, while in the prison, he narrated his story to the other inmates. So option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.